In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop the automatic focus mode from being enabled on your Mac. So for this, we need to go to the settings. So just look up the system settings like this. And by default, you'll probably be in the general section. And in order to manage the focus modes, you need to scroll on the left panel and go to the focus mode, which is indicated by the moon icon on a purple background. So you can click on it like this. And there are going to be a different set of focus modes, probably looking similar to mine on your computer as well, but there might be some variation because I also have some custom ones. But the point is that whichever mode is being automatically enabled, you need to make sure it doesn't have any scheduling. For example, I click on personal and it says, or it tells me which settings I have enabled and which apps work, but you need to pay attention to the scheduling here, which might be set up based on a time, location, or app. So I can set it up that it's going to start at 9 a.m. and will be turned off at 5 p.m. let's say every single day except for the Saturday, for instance, and I hit it done. You can see that now it is turned on, and this is what you need to do. If you have the personal mode enabled or any other one, you want to make sure that the schedule is disabled. So you find the schedule, you click on it like this, and either turn it off but keep it, or you can fully delete it. And when you delete the schedule and confirm it again, it will simply not happen anymore unless you manually enable that mode. So that's how it generally works. It's pretty simple in that sense. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Subscribe for more, of course, if you liked it, and I'll see you later.